I'm RaDona from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I have Nancy with me and we are going to show you a fun cut in a minute, but I wanted to show you the color that I do on my hair. We color her front dark like mine and the back is dark. So thank you, Nancy, for letting us do this. I use a 5N on the back. So I just do this window back here. I always like to go around the perimeter. And I like to be kind of precise on the perimeter, just because obviously if you're going darker, it's going to leave, you're gonna see it, obviously. So putting it on, you don't realize that if you come clear down here, you won't really see it because it's kind of clear, the color, but then you're gonna have all these different streaks going around the head. So I always like to try to keep that perimeter pretty straight. Okay, and then I just come in and use the edge of the comb and take sections. Same thing here. Then I just go down to the bottom, and then the sides, you know, you make sure you get those good. Okay, and then what I love to do is take my comb on short hair, because we're gonna go short when we cut her hair, but I just wanna make sure it's all even and through there really, really good. Okay, perfect. All right, now I'm just gonna take these off. I'm gonna clip this with a clip. And then I like to put a foil over it. Okay, so for my blonde, I always do bleach. If you're just starting out, you can start with like a 20 volume, and then the more you get done, you can move up to 40 to brighten it. But I, on Nancy, just use 40 just because I'm used to weaving. So if you're trying to learn how to weave, you might want to just start out with a lower number at first, so by the time you weave to the other parts, it's caught up, if that makes sense. Caught up, like lifting. Okay, so she has blonde ends, so I'm not going out on the ends, and I'm not going, see there's a little bit there that I didn't, there. So I just take that off. You don't want it too close to the edge of the foil, just because it's gonna swell a little bit. So you wanna keep it away just a little bit. Okay, and then I come across here. Now the sections you take, you're gonna want them little. You don't want big sections, or it will give it a regrowth look right after you're done, and you definitely don't want that. So you can see the little brown parts I cover, whatever's blonde I leave out. Okay, then I come over to this side. Okay, I'm doing a fine to medium weave. That's what I have on mine. And this will make it really blonde. I do have people ask if I, you know, how I color my hair, and this is it. So just want to show you guys. Okay. So I take another section, just a little one, and like I said, this is how my hair is like so blonde, is we just do little sections. Okay, I just fold the foil over, hold the hair up tight, and then I hold it down tight with my fingers. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to come to this side again. So you can see I just do middle, side, side, middle, side, side. And then I will show you in just a second what I do when I get like up to here. So you can see I'm just covering up that dark. I like to fold my ends. Some people like to only fold one end. It just depends, like what you like. Okay. Like I said, it's more fine to medium weave. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is come here and I'm gonna come straight forward. I'm gonna do these here and the blondes here. As soon as I get ready to do this, I will come back and I will show you how to add in the dark. But this is what I do with the blonde, just each section, just keep going up, okay? So just cover that hair and then I will come back and I'll show you how to add the dark. Okay, you guys, so now the front. People always ask how much dark I put in my front. I'm gonna show you. I just take a little section. I'm gonna show you how many foils I do. I don't weave this part. I just color all of it. And this is with the same underneath, the 5 double N. Okay, here's the second foil. Like I said, I put all the hair in it. And then this is the third foil. So I do 3 foils in my dark. If you want it a little bit thicker, obviously you could go 4 or 5. But I do just 3, and you just seen how thick they are. So that'll give you an idea of how I do the dark in my front. So we're gonna let this process, and then as soon as I get done washing her, then I'll show you her fun haircut. Thanks.